As we move closer to 2026, the world is changing faster than most people can understand. Jobs are evolving, technology is rewriting the future, opportunities are shifting, and the definition of success is no longer what it used to be. We are entering a time where only one thing matters. Are you prepared for the world that is coming? Not the world you grew up in, not the world you imagined, but the world that is unfolding right in front of your eyes. If you want to rise above the noise, stand out from the crowd, and secure your place in the future, there are 5 skills you absolutely must learn before 2026. These skills will not just help you survive, they will help you lead, grow, and thrive in ways you cannot even imagine today. The first skill you must master is communication. Not basic speaking, not school-level grammar, but the ability to articulate your thoughts with confidence, clarity, and impact. If you look around, you will find thousands of talented people who struggle in life, not because they lack intelligence, but because they cannot communicate effectively. The future belongs to those who can express their ideas clearly, confidently, and persuasively. Businesses are looking for communicators. Leaders are defined by communication. Opportunities are unlocked through communication. Whether you want to get a job, start a business, build a personal brand, negotiate opportunities, persuade people, or simply connect with others, communication is the foundation. And communication is not about speaking perfect English. It is about knowing how to speak your truth in a way that moves people. It is about presenting your ideas without fear. It is about writing messages that sound intelligent. It is about expressing your emotions without breaking down. Communication is a skill anyone can build, but only the committed actually do. The second skill you must learn before 2026 is digital literacy. For years, people have said technology is the future. But that future is no longer coming, it is already here. If you do not learn how to work with technology, technology will work against you. The world is moving into automation, artificial intelligence, digital systems, and online platforms. Every industry from medicine to education, from business to governance is transforming. And the people who succeed will be the ones who adapt. Digital literacy does not mean knowing how to use social media. It means understanding how the digital world operates. It means learning how AI tools work, how online businesses run, how cybersecurity protects you, how digital marketing influences decisions, how data shapes industries, and how online systems create wealth. You do not need to become a programmer to be digitally literate. You simply need to understand the tools of the new world, because in the future, your value will not depend on how long you have worked, it will depend on how relevant your skills are. The third skill you must learn before 2026 is financial literacy. Money is no longer something you earn and spend. Money is something you must understand. The coming years will be financially unpredictable. Inflation will rise, markets will fluctuate, job security will shrink. But opportunities to grow wealth will multiply for those who understand how money works. Financial literacy is not about becoming a financial expert. It is about learning how to manage your money instead of letting money control your life. It means learning how to save wisely, how to invest smartly, how to avoid debt traps, how to build assets, how to control unnecessary spending, and how to create income streams beyond your salary. Most people work for money their entire lives, but never learn how money behaves. As a result, they stay stuck, stressed, and dependent. But the moment you understand the basics of finance, everything changes. You begin to see opportunities instead of problems. You begin to plan instead of panic. You begin to build a future instead of merely surviving. Money is not emotional. Money follows rules. And once you understand those rules, you no longer fear money, you guide it. The fourth skill you must master before 2026 is emotional intelligence. The future will reward those who can manage their minds. In a world where stress is rising, distractions are increasing, and pressure is growing, emotional intelligence is becoming more valuable than technical skills. Emotional intelligence means understanding yourself, controlling your reactions, staying calm under stress, listening actively, working in teams, resolving conflicts, and reading the emotions of others. Emotional intelligence protects you from burnout. It guides you through difficult decisions. It helps you build meaningful relationships. It makes you a better leader, a better partner, a better human being. When you understand your emotions, you no longer act out of anger, fear, insecurity, or confusion. You act out of clarity, and clarity is rare in this world. Emotional intelligence also helps you deal with criticism. In 2026 and beyond, people will judge you, challenge you, question you, and misunderstand you. Without emotional strength, you will break easily. But with emotional intelligence, you will rise above pressure and respond with maturity. The fifth skill you must learn before 2026 is the ability to learn fast. The world is changing too quickly for slow learners. Today's skills are becoming outdated every few years. Technologies are shifting every few months. New opportunities are appearing every week. And to keep up, you must develop the ability to learn quickly, adapt instantly, and evolve continuously. Fast learners do not fear new things, they embrace them. They do not cling to the past, they grow toward the future. They do not say, I don't know how to do this. They say, I will learn it. The ability to learn fast means letting go of ego. It means being willing to be a beginner. It means learning from mistakes instead of hiding them. It means being open to change even when change feels uncomfortable. Those who learn fast will dominate the future job market. They will start better businesses. They will make smarter decisions. They will stay relevant. And relevance is the new currency of success. As we prepare for 2026, understand this. The world will not slow down to match your pace. It will not make exceptions for your excuses. It will not stop evolving because you feel scared or unprepared. The only way to protect your future is to strengthen yourself. These 5 skills are not random. They are the foundation of future success. Communication will give you confidence. Digital literacy will give you opportunity. Financial literacy will give you stability. Emotional intelligence will give you peace. Fast learning will give you adaptability. And when you combine all 5, you become unstoppable. Most people will ignore these skills. They will continue living the same routines, repeating the same mistakes, complaining about the same problems. But a small group of people, maybe people like you, will choose to grow. They will choose to prepare. They will choose to build themselves before 2026 arrives. And those people will not fear the future because they will be ready for it. The question is, which group will you belong to? The ones who wait or the ones who rise? The future is not something that just happens to you. The future is something you build with your skills, your mindset, your decisions, and your courage. Start building today, because 2026 is not far, and your time to prepare is now.